Good morning and welcome to the Algarve. Specifically, Lagos in Portugal. Lagos is on the western end of the Algarve, on the south coast, on the Atlantic coast of Portugal, and it's a beautiful area. Lots of long, beautiful beaches, and today we're going to take a tour around. The town is also quite interesting. At the moment, I am at Praia de Padade. I have no idea if that's how you pronounce it, how it looks like it would pronounce it, which is a series of rock formations that have been worn by the coastal erosion and have formed these amazing cliffside cliffs, pillars, bays, grottos, caves. Now there's two ways to see them. You can do what I'm doing now, come in from the land. It's just south of the village of Lagos, town of Lagos, so it's very easy to get to, and have a look from there. You can also do sea trips where you can go round by boat and in amongst them and into some of the caves and grottos. So I'm going to turn around to show you the view now and pay attention, because there's quite a climb up. It's quite a climb up and there's quite a drop down, and I want to go up and not drop down. So let me turn you around. You can see how amazing it is, hey? Now I'm going to make my way down this path, and my plan is to go up there and get a view. There's various little viewpoints. The path doesn't look that stable. I mean, when you consider that these places have been eroded, it doesn't say much for the stability of what's left. So, got to watch your footing. You could do it in flip-flops, but it's best to do a nice pair of shoes. But then, look at that, you can see there's a couple of cruises out there. You can get lots of, you can book lots of things to do, and especially coming out here and see events in Lagos. There's lots of little cabins everywhere and places in the main street. One of them I can see at that boat out there is kayak cruises, where they bring you around here and then you go on a kayak and kayak amongst these rock formations and in the bays and things. So that actually seems quite a nice activity. I've got the time, fancy doing that. Oh, excuse me a minute. Try not to fall and or drop you, or both. Okay, this looks a lot steeper now I'm down here. But let's go up. Ooh, up. Whoa, what's beautiful poppies growing amongst here. So remember, I've got to climb down here somehow as well. That path is really steep. Okay. These decisions that once you start you think was a brilliant idea, and then not quite so sure. Hope I don't regret this when it comes to trying to get down. Oop. Oh wow, I'm not quite at the top, but already I have a amazing view. Look at that. Wow, there's lots of little beaches. You can see there's a cave down there. Let me turn you down a little bit and around a little bit. There you go. Whew. Well, you can guess what's going to happen now, don't you? Yes! I'm going to try and get that drone in the air and get you some shots of this. Wow, it looks like it's beautiful. It looks like it's going to be great from the water as well, looking up. But let's see what it looks like from the air, looking down. lots of beaches along the Algarve, and today I'm going to show you Mina d'Oro. I hope that's how you say it. Apparently one of the famous beaches. Climbing amongst the cliffs here, let's show you. And good evening. We've had a fantastic day, haven't we? I think broke the glasses. Random strangers.
I won. Guys, think.
There you go. And you get all sorts of random people on the street as well. But like, as I was saying, in the evenings, Lagos town, when Lagos Old Town really comes to life. You've got the street cafes, the shops still open, ice cream. Wander around, eat al fresco, have a nice wine, enjoy some quality food and time. There's musicians playing, busking, people asking for donations, also a few crazy people around, as you just seen. But hey, that's life, and they're everywhere. But Lagos is very pleasant in the evening. The best time to come is now. During the day it gets obscenely hot. Even in the spring months it gets hot. So come on and enjoy Lagos town for the evening.